homeowners don't think about their front door until it looks really bad. And by then, the question isn't, should I refinish? It's, do I have to replace this? That's where the real cost conversation begins. Refinishing is preventative, replacement is reactive, and reactive decisions are almost always more expensive. When a wood door's finish starts to fail, fading, cracking, thinning, clear coat, that's the window where refinishing makes the most financial sense. At that stage, you're restoring protection before moisture penetrates the wood. A professional refinish refreshes the stain, reseals the surface, and adds UV protection. The structure of the door remains intact, and you extend its life by years. But when that maintenance gets delayed, water intrusion starts to creep in. The bottom rail absorbs moisture, panels begin to swell, joints separate. You might see dark water stains, soft spots, or even rot. Now you're talking about wood repairs, or full replacement. And replacement isn't just the cost of a door slab. It's removal, disposal, hardware transfer or replacement, potential frame adjustments, possible side lights, restaining, sealing, and labor. Depending on the material and design, replacement can cost several times more than refinishing. Custom wood doors can run into the thousands before installation is even factored in. There's also the curb appeal factor. A deteriorating door makes the entire entry look neglected, but a restored door instantly elevates the home without the disruption of a full install. Think of it like maintaining a deck or a car's paint job. You protect it early to avoid a much larger bill later. Refinishing now is typically a fraction of the cost of replacing later, and it preserves the door you already invested in. So the real question isn't, can I afford to refinish? It's, can I afford to wait? Door Renew can preserve your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.